green outside and pink
दोस्तों
Pink
देखेंगे
inside.
कितना खूबसूरत
and
पेपर
pink color
आर्टिस्ट ने
paper
बनाया
round shape cut
Okay.
है। मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी ये वीडियो, मैंने सोचा मैं
or
आपके
green
साथ
color
शेयर करूं।
paper V shape cut.
Okay.
This any model.
Hmm.
Support one pen pencils, marker pen. Any one pen pencils use.
Okay.
One paper inside. 1 and 2. 2 time complete
Okay.
and 2 finger support plus.
Okay.
Double.
Okay.
This interside 2 cuts. Only little cut joint. Only smalls. 1 and
2.
2. Not full. Only.
Only 2. Okay. Okay.
And one paper full of. Open all papers.
Okay.
This for designs.
And second one is
Second in down.
rose.
Turn by turn. Root papers.
Okay.
This hand to town.
Okay.